Hey everybody, David Lund with Excalibur Rings. Today's ring making video, we're going to be making a ring out of red calcite, otherwise known as dragon's blood. And this ring, we're going to be using just a mineral. There won't be anything added to the ring at all. And it's just going to be on a tungsten band. So this basically concludes this video. I really like the way this ring came out. It's a little bit different than what I usually do with the glow powders and the extra inlays, but this took a little bit more work. As you saw in the video, I spent a lot more time sanding the minerals because they were just too big. So for next time, I think I'm just gonna make smaller rocks and then just add them on here. And then I may even actually throw in, I think it would be cool to have like a glow powder in the back in the background. So I'll put the glow powder in first and then throw in the rocks on top of it and see what that looks like. If that's something you want to see in another video, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. That's what you'd like to see. I will be putting this ring on the website here very soon. And also, I did not make an announcement in the last video, but we're actually going to be moving locations. This is going to be one of the last videos that we have here in my home, and we're going to be moving into an actual commercial location. So there's more to come on that in the next couple weeks. We're scaling the business, so I'm super excited about that. And also, thank you guys for 350 subscribers. Until next time, I'm David Lunn. Thank you all for watching.